First of all, I would like to show a glimpse of vision board of Mitra to the online segment. So those three are Nagalan, Vedavarshan and Mitra. Oh, here.
It's like shared, sir. Thank you for the compliment, sir.
Thank you. Hey, Varshan, all over the charismatic.
Karishma.
Okay, so this is Mitra's Vision Board 2021. So your time starts now. 3, 2, 1, go.
So warm greetings, Hanuman present here. I am Mitra and I would like to present my Vision Board 2021 and 2031. So here I have made compilation of all the 10 years that I am going to, what are all my goals and the achievements that I have to make in these 10 years. And Vision Board is nothing but what you want to achieve in your future and what's your vision about, what's your goal, and day to day what you want to achieve totally, well, from health till the goals you want to achieve and academics and achievements. So first let us start. So first thing I would like to state is presentation. So I always like doing presentations, and that's why I really enjoyed preparing this vision board. I took like today afternoon only after completing my academic work I started doing this, and with the fun that I had I was able to complete it by 1 and 1.5 hours. I was really fast in doing that. So next my hobbies. So hobbies, whenever you are free, if you okay. So hobbies is nothing but the thing that you like to do or you love to do when you are free. So I have many hobbies. The first hobby that I have was reading books, and I would like to state 3 main hobbies that I always do. Number 1 is reading books. So from my childhood I always love reading books, and that's why I have a lot of books in my library. And I have completed almost 90% of them, and I have till 10% that should be completed. And in the summer vacation I just made a list of books that I have to complete. The second is dancing and singing. So since childhood I learned myself dancing. I put on the music and dancing. So that's how I learned dancing. And from till 4th standard I had enough time to dance, and I really felt good. And I learned the steps by my own and watching many clips, and so that I learned. So I would like to be more consistent in doing that whenever I get free time in this time also. And thinking, as I keep thinking whenever I write down or something, so that I don't feel stressed and I don't feel pressurized. So that's all about my hobby. And here hard work leads to success. Whatever I do, I put my full effort, whether it's examination or it is any extracurricular activities. I put my full hard work, and mostly it is, that leads to success, and that's how I succeed in most of the things. Next is concept. Sir, my father always from childhood, he doesn't even expect my marks in the examination. He always used to say, if you understand the concepts and if you use it in your future life as an youngster, you will definitely be able to achieve in your life. And that's how I'm learning all my concepts. And next, here is the books that I wanted to study, and I did not, it was just a rough diagrams of a boy seeing the library of books, so that's one. Next, history. So my most favorite subject is history, and my grandma and myself always go through some historical books, because I love knowing more about the ancient kings and queens, and also about the freedom fighters, so that I gain more knowledge, and that motivates me, and that's a big inspiration for us. Next is skills. So I would like to develop in 2021. I have till 11 months more, and I would like to develop all the skills that I have, on which I am not completely, not 100%. So like football and cricket. So now I am not being consistent in going to sports. So till the other 11 months, I would like to be more consistent. Although I have examinations and academic works. that each year they come here, we used to play cricket. My friends used to say cricket, I don't like this game, that game. But each year whenever I got the chance to play cricket in my school, I gave him. And finally I was selected in playing with cricket, and mostly we won in that cricket in sports in school. So that's all about cricket. Confidence. So the main goal that I want to is win the confidence of my parents. So now I have almost learned to drive scooty. So I would like to gain more confidence from my mom, because she's like for 1 year she hasn't drove scooty. It was like she did not have much time. She was always busy in her daily chores. So I myself and sir was the one who were driving the scooty often. So I would like to win her confidence too, to sit back when I am traveling. So that's gaining confidence. And also one main thing, my father always said I'll buy you phone only at 12th standard, but I finally got it in 2020 itself because of my online classes. And at the time also he signed an agreement, once the online classes complete I'll get a phone. So but I would like to win the confidence of him. My mother did not say anything, and my grandmother also did not say anything. So I want to win confidence and achieve, and I have to change.
I am very confident that she will not win that confidence.
I am really confident that I will definitely make him change his mind that okay, she's self-limited and she's not over-limiting herself, and she's not using it much. She's having self-discipline in that too. So I want to win the confidence of him. And anger management. So in 2020, I myself realized that I'm getting more angry with my mom. So I want to change that by doing anger management therapy. So win the heart is about the phone that matter. Academics and knowledge. So for doing the smart work, I have to know more, and for knowledge. Smart work, it is really useful when you are facing problems in 2031. Everyone will have problems, and they will also get solution if they do smart work. So whether it is examinations or any problem that you have, if you have more knowledge and if you develop your mind, you can definitely do smart work and overcome that problem. So this is all the sports that I want to learn. I want to excel more in football as I'm doing in cricket. Being unique. So I want to have my own specific skills than others. Like doing really good in cricket, and also doing in academics. And I felt that I'm being unique in online classes. And that's why I have experienced a lot of problems that sir faced during online classes, during MS online sessions. He used to share the problems that we had and what made him angry during that online classes. So I always kept in my mind that I should not repeat when I am having my school online classes. So that's why I'm being more active in online classes than anyone. And I have already got that uniqueness in myself during the online classes. Eating healthy and attending my online classes. So this is all about that. And oratory classes. So this MS evening sessions has developed me a lot, and I could really realize that in my English oratory classes. So Sanjay's dad is a teacher for me in that class, and each time he would give me a project or something like we had to speak. I was the one, and I will be the one who raised the hand first, and I would really give 100% in it, and he has appreciated me a lot. So that's a big effect I'm facing that in now in the future, sir. So thank you so much for that, sir. Then self-learning. Self-learning is the best way you can learn. So dance, everything I have learned myself only. So self-learning I will keep doing that. Mathematics. So I like mathematics, but I don't know, sometimes I feel that it's difficult, and that's why I get some reduced marks and I get scoring from that. So I want to excel more in mathematics by working out a lot when I was have free time. So now 2021 is over and 2031. So these are the segments that I am going to define in 2031. Number 1, happiness in selfless service. So you all know my ambition is to become a pediatrician, and the main outcome and the main reason why I wanted to become a pediatrician is I always like kids, and whenever I see in my family, whenever I see a kid, I will take that kid and I will play a lot. So, whether it is online classes or anything, I will play with them a lot. So that's why I like it. So I wanted to become a pediatrician. So my happiness in selfless service, self-discipline, already, and being an all-rounder. So presently, I would believe in myself that I'm being an all-rounder. So in 2031 also being a youngster, I would like to be the same all-rounder in my selfless life. Next, my ambition. So my ambition, so I have to work hard. Another time I must have completed the college. It is 5.5 years of MBBS course. So after at 24 years old, in 2031, I would have completed my college life and I would have entered into my career life. So that's my ambition. And I want to read more books about I like mythology, mythological stories and history stories a lot. So I would like to make more research in that field too. Next, I like gardening, but I sometimes feel lazy. So I want to be more persistent in that too. So from 2021 onwards, I would like to put more efforts in gardening too. Next, I want to learn bike riding and car. So last year on 1st January of 2021, I just learned the basics of pressing the clutch and accelerator. Somehow I failed in that and I got very good scoldings from sir. But I would like to achieve, from childhood I wanted to learn bike and car other than scooty. So I have almost partially learned scooty and I want to excel in both bike and car too. Next, at 4 years old, I used to watch a cartoon named Jackie Chan. So it will be played in Chutti TV and I would like to watch that Jackie Chan. In that in one episode, I had this 3 monkeys. So from that time, my mom used to teach me. This is one ethics that my mom taught me. That is see good, hear good and speak good. So from that time, I am very consistent in that, and I would like to be more consistent even in 2031 also. And my mom also taught me that we have to think and also do good. So that's one of the things. And next, I would love to work in laptop. So I would like to excel in editing also. I like editing, but sometimes I feel it's a bit difficult. So I would like to learn editing too. And being an opportunist. So whenever I get an opportunity, I would like to use that, because opportunity knocks our door only once. I would like to use that opportunity itself. And self-motivation and motivating others. So whenever someone motivating others, I specifically mean that helping others. So I would like to motivate others whenever they are in a depressed state, so that they will be more motivated and they will be able to excel in their job in which they are at low esteem. Being bold and strong. So sometimes I get scared and I start shouting. So I would like to overcome that too by doing some therapies and being bold and strong. So at this time I would like to mention 2 important quotes and I'd like to finish my presentation. One is John Lennon once said, "Life is what happens when you are busy planning making other plans." So that is always one important quote, and this really inspired me, which was said by Benjamin Franklin. Tell me, I forget. Teach me, I learn. I remember, and involve me, I learn. So whenever you are getting involved into a project, you definitely learn and that will be in your mind forever. So that's how I involve myself in many presentations and I learn a lot in even skits too. So thank you so much for listening to my vision board. Thank you.
Very well done.
Thank you, Pranav. Thank you.
Very well done, Nikhil.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiran.
So,
Master Beat.
Yes, sir. I'll get the record.
it's okay. So,
You got it.
yeah, so questions? Well done. That was very
Thank you,
nice.
sir.
Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Questions towards Mitra's presentation. Kalpita is the first questioner and then Prabhu Aditya. Yeah, so we will start with Kalpita. Yes, Kalpita.
So Mitra, that was very brilliant job, Mitra. You said you want to win the confidence of your parents and your mom. So have you started working on it, Mitra? Do you have any plans? These are the ways and these are some of the ideas to win his and your mom's confidence.
Yes, ka. So two main things is my outcome of that ka. One is driving scooty and one is using this phone ka. So number one driving scooty ka. I keep,
Riding school.
so I keep motivating my mom and I say that see how she sees ka. Sometimes when I come back from sports, she will be doing some chores outside and she will be seeing that and she would appreciate me doing really good. So do this, do that. She would advise me ka. So when I do it more proficiently and soon, if I do it every day and get practice more, and if sir also gets the confidence that okay, you are doing really good and you are capable of going outside in the same scooty, then my mom also would change her mind. That's number one. And gaining the confidence of sir in the phone, I had to take one daily routine. So I have to reduce the time of watching this phone. Other than the online classes, at free times, whenever I want to get relaxed, I use YouTube or this other app for watching movies. So I have to, if I reduce that, I will gain the confidence of him. So that's the next thing.
Okay, Mitra, thank you.
She's on the progress. We will see if she succeeds. That's a nice question, Kalpita.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yes, sir. So Mitra, you told that your goal was becoming pediatrician, but you told that in the season 4 in history and mathematics. In history you like history more, but I go for pediatrician you need to study biology. So I know why it's bit less interest than history and biology.
I actually mentioned about science in that in green color. I actually mentioned that in the vision board, Prabhu, but I missed it out. More than history, I have history and biology in the same symmetrical line. So I like them both. So, but I missed that point. I actually wrote it down in the chartboard when I was preparing in the evening, and I wanted to mention, but I forgot to mention. So yes, in both I have the interest, Prabhu. So more I have interest towards history because it's all about, we get more inspired when we read the historical stories and about freedom fighters, Prabhu. So I'm reading that, and also science is very important. Science, is having three main branches about chemistry, biology, and physics. And in these three branches, I like the most is the biology. So I would also excel in biology.
Okay, thank you.
Lakshmi Siddharth.
So first things first, very good presentation, Mitra.
Thank you.
And my question towards you is, you have been involved in at least 3 or 4 vision boards, right? Right from the day when MSCA started. So what changes do you see between your first vision board and the vision board that you currently presented? Have you added some new sections or is it the same?
Yes, I have.
Very nice question.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I have added now. From the last 2 vision board, I would just write it down now. But sometimes it would not be much use now. But when we collect pictures and when we paste it on the chartboard now, we get more inspired towards that number 1 now. And also now, I did not mention these many points in that. It was very limited now. So just being a doctor, being very kind and all about the behaviors now. But here I have covered all the health now, then goals, and how I have to be, my hobbies, everything I have covered now. So more than that, I think this would be really effective.
Super.
Thank you.
Any other questions from the online format? Yes, Pranav.
So Mitra ka really nice presentation ka. So about the anger that you told you're getting angry with your mom, the therapy would work. I believe in sir and his therapies, but I don't think only the therapy can help you ka. There should be something else also that is able to help you. So what would it be ka?
It would be the understanding of the relationship that I have with my mother, Pranav. So actually she does everything for my goodness, but sometimes I misunderstand that and I get angry and we have a fight, Pranav. So if we have a very good mutual understanding between us and a very good relationship, then that could also add up to the therapy which could finally result in that anger management.
Right.
Okay, Ka.
Prashant.
Yes, sir. So, Mitra, now I give a chance or give a request that you need to add 3 more goals to be added to your vision board. What will be those 3 goals you need to accomplish in this 10 years? 3 things other than the things you add in the vision board.
Okay now. So number 1 is being more organized now. So sometimes I actually have in my mind I would actually like to be organized now, but somehow it gets messed up and it does not it did not lead to the result of being organized now. So number 1 is being organized, and number 2 is being more consistent in therapies and learning more concepts in psychology now. So it is not alone if you study MBA only you can be a psychologist now. So I would like to read more and research more concepts through psychology because I like that too. So in this span of 10 years, in 2031 I would have completed the college now. So if I go through a lot of concepts of psychology, then that's going to give a huge impact in my life too now. And the third one is being more, whenever I have free time I have to involve myself in the major hobby that I have, reading books and cooking now. So that's also my third goal now.
Right.
Thank you.
Raghulan.
First of all, Mitra, that was a very nice presentation. It was very enjoyable to watch it. And my question to you is something along the lines of what one of the previous questions. Varshan asked if you could add something right now, what would you add? And what I want to ask is, if you had the creative difference to change something in the future, not only let's not take into account anything about we have to get to a respectable position in society and all, if you could completely on a creative basis, if you could do something of your own free will without having to worry about anyone or anything, what would it be?
I would do more social works now, other than this career that I have. If I have a thought in the future, if I want to be a reputed person in the society now, I could actually put more efforts on that too now. By giving something to charity and to trust now. So that's one of being a reputed person now.
Thank you, sir.
Ready, Varshan?
Okay, sir. That was a very nice presentation, Nidra. So my question is, some girls think that cricket is not very comfortable game and it would suit for girls. And how did you get that interest in cricket?
That's one main reason I wanted to learn cricket. So since my childhood, I did not have that much efforts. I did not put that much efforts in cricket. So at most till 5th standard, with sir's help only I batted, and I didn't even if it would be 1 over they throw for me, and I wouldn't even bat even 1 ball. From 6th standard only I concentrated more. And sir helped me a lot. And my brother, Aditya, he helped me a lot. Amiteshana would bound for me, and Aditya said, you come this side, Mitra, so that you can do. And with sir's help and Aditya's help, I was really excelling in that. And I concentrated more, and finally, even now, in my class, many girls would say that cricket, no, I am not participating, that's really difficult. But still now I am trying, and each time, from 5th standard, I am giving my name in cricket, and in each time I am getting selected in that. So first it was shuttle running, and last time also it was 3 years we had the same selection, and all the 3 years I came as first person to be selected. So that's why I had more keen interest towards cricket.
Right. That was a nice question and nicely answered.
Thank you.
Last question, but by no means least. Kiran.
Okay, sir. So, Mithra, that was a very, very nice presentation. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you.
So, my question to you is basically what you answered in a different question. So, you said, like the first question you got, you said that for relaxation, I sometimes watch YouTube or other things like that. So, some people around the world, they take advantage of it because it's easily accessible and they watch it during classes, they watch it during school, and they're not paying attention when they're supposed to. So if like picture yourself from one of those students, and what would you do to control yourself, and what would you do to stop doing this?
A nice question, Kiran. So I would like to self-limit myself. I would like to prepare a schedule for that too. So whenever I'm being in that picture, I have to schedule myself and limit myself with making research and minor. If sir always says you should not minor in major things and major in minor things. So that's how it's like majoring the minor things. So major thing is your studies and your academics and your schoolwork, but minoring is watching movies and using YouTube. So at that time you have to make a schedule or devise a schedule in which you have to spend a specific time in homework, and at the same time you can't spend the whole day doing homeworks and being in online classes. You have to have fun, and that's one main thing that I mentioned in the vision board. So if you have, whenever you want to enjoy yourself, you can use these like watch YouTube or watch movies. So that doesn't affect too much in your life.
Okay, Mitra, very nice answer.
Thank you.
Right, so a very lengthy stretch of vision board presentation and answering the questions. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Have you posted your vision board?
That's all.
Yeah, okay. So, well then, I did not have any questions because most of them covered whatever question that I asked, I wanted to ask, so I did not ask that much. Good job. Okay, so, Kalpita, Kiran, Kirtana, Nagalan, Prabhuaditya, Krisha, Mitra are the 7 members who have finished their vision board presentations. We have one more online presentation now, and that is of Pranav. And I am really looking forward to listen to Muhammad Anas's presentation. And Hafiz has got his vision board ready. Kaviraj and Nitin have got their vision boards ready. So, and Balaji has also got his vision board ready. So we got many pending things, but both the online members and the direct members are continuously listening to the vision board presentations for the past almost about an hour. So we will have Pranav's presentation, and then we will have a short break or something, and then we will regather. So we will do that way. Okay, right? So, Pranav, it's your turn. And before we go for a short break for stretching ourselves with the physical activity, it is your presentation that's going to be last. Come on.
All the best, Pranav.
All the best, Pranav.
All the best, friend.
Thanks everyone. All the way, are you able to see me? Thanks. Sir, are you able to see me?
Smarter, some smarter.
Thank you, sir.
Vision boards photo on YouTube.
Can you put the vision boards photograph in the group so that we all can have a good vision? Nolan, yes.
Sir, can I
Sir, I'm sorry, sir, that was a mistake, sir.
Yes, Pranav.
Sir, can I send it to Mitra ka because I don't have my mom's phone right now?
Yeah, send it to Mitra and then Mitra will post it.
Okay, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, take your time. So, just like we did for Prisha J, please have the view of the vision board that Pranav sends to Mitra. Now Mitra will post that in the group. And once we finish off with Pranav's presentation, we'll have a short physical activity. And then I'm coming back to the most important presentation I'm looking forward to. That is Muhammad Anas.
Most important, very important, very
Nee, oh, చెప్పడు.
First present was very important.
இந்த சார்ட்ல வந்து தானிஷ் கை வச்சான்.
So once again, sir.
Sir, writing only, sir.
ஏன் நீ என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த?
Sir, I was sir.
ஏய் இல்ல. ஓ விஷன் போட அவன் இதுடா. ஓ பஸ் நீ தான்டா சார்.
எந்த டீம்?
அவன்
Sir,
இது.
first one I wrote, sir, was so early, sir, so that I told him to write, sir.
Right, ready?
Sir,
Got it?
I maybe
நீங்க நான் மூணு பேர் சார்.
Got it? Mitra.
Sir, got it.
Okay, we all got your presentation, Pranav. Now we will see Pranav's presentation. The time starts now. Focus.